War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. Wagwan. So, let me show you my little room. I want my key there. Show you my little room now. You know, I have my kitchen area. And with coffee maker, you know, I don't drink coffee, so I don't use that. I have my little lounge area with my sofa and my thing them. You know, when I left scandal bag, we are Jamaican, anywhere we go, we have scandal bag, jewelry box. Yeah, so, when you know it go, this morning early, I did a Fort Lauderdale, and now, I'm in a different city. Yeah, so I'm putting the card on. Yeah, then? So, nice bed here. Something them. Boom bang. Look out the door. See there in Florida. See snow fall there? Different state. Different plate. Different yard, different gate. Nice little bathroom, yeah. Glass and thing. Yeah. Yeah, my people. So I make a talk to you now. Because you know me a viral king, you know. And we're not afraid of people, you know. So, people wanna listen to me now. See? Them say, be careful of the enemies you make. Not the ones you made yourself, but the ones who created themselves. Be careful of the enemies you have. Not the ones you created, but the ones that created themselves. Somebody said, them say you're not help your son. Okay, let's get into it. When I always hear me say, I have 4 kids me get, right? So, you know, say, Oshan, and my first son will become my second son. And you know, Adore would have been my second child, will end up become my last child. Not the last child, but the last one. Ask me how that happened now. Because me I go give that little girl here 5 minutes of fame where Vybz Kartel send her to come get. People sometimes when they hear me I troll Vybz Kartel. Alright, so somebody comment there already. So she a all-time pussy seller. You see it? You see what me I talk about? You see when you see a lion asleep, leave the lion alone. Zine? So watch this now. I am a retired gallist. Zine? Me deal with girl thing like a joke one time. Zine? First thing I want you to notice. Somebody say me love Kartel name is a reason. And you have to listen why. Me know this is go forward, you know. Because when Kartel just come from jail and gone Mobile, me see her in a Kartel car. Kartel go up on the ends where she live and she, Kartel, my member, I always a pray for you, I always a rare, whatever. Me not have no problem with that. I never say nothing, see? So now, through me I troll him on the internet now, Wekid, he don't give her a thing or something, because she always want money. And say, go and go style Foota. See, so sometimes on the net, no know where I go on around the scenes. You understand what I'm saying? So, him send her to come do this now. But what she not telling me, I gotta go into the real story now. I gotta go into the real story now. See, because I expect this, you know. From me see her in a Kartel vehicle, and bag of thing, me expect it. So them are draw a wild card. Alright. One thing more I want you to notice though. Every baby mother where them bring up with me, always some girl will look good, and if them look good now still, so then you know say 19 years ago, she did look way better. Because my son are 19, right? So it show you say, even Kartel them can't chat to me about girl thing. Zine? So anyway, this girl used to work for hard copy. No fun don't know. Yeah, I them trouble me today, you know, figure it out fretty. I them trouble me first today. She used to work for hard copy, right? So she was a hard copy model, and I meet her a cassava piece up on a roof. She come out and party, right? Anyway, them time them had the brokest man she have. Zine, me the brokest man she have. I be a drugs man she used to do with an artist, right? I'm not going to call the artist them name because them not have nothing to do with this right now. People, as a girl is, as a poor broke girl is, me a knock it. See? Me are the brokest man she did with at the time. Oh, I'm black, I idiot here. Well, oh, you said them fit. Okay. So me go so now. Zine. I know me love the brown girl, them and them love me. Zine. Yeah man, vlogger, get to work. So this girl now, when I meet her, she work for hard copy. For those who don't know, hard copy is a dancehall magazine. Like, or you have X News and them something there. You used to have hard copy magazine. So these girls were the first set of girls to come out in them bad suit and them something, and people used to book them to come a party like how you have promo girls. And them girls that first used to do it. They used to travel go all Cayman and all over the place. So at this now, she used to do her little fly out and her little something then. Zine? So now I'm not reach about the child yet, let me tell you now where I go on. So me as a little broke pocket youth get her while she did with I think she did it with one British and Lucky British at the time, plus one of my artist friend. Zine? So me as a little broke pocket youth get her. Sometimes when you hear matter and used to say him carry me down a Waltham, go pick up my girl and carry go buy KFC and bag a thing and drop way off. A she matter. See? Them time them I no car, me no have no bicycle, me no have nothing, right? So matter and that carry me go pick her up, she come on my yard, whatever, fuck. She gone back to her yard and gone back to her money man them. And me had a little broke youth where I go and knock it. See? Anyway, I go so bad man, me a knock it right through. Big man thing, me a knock it right through. She find a Dan man. Them time there, when you remember the long back Mark II them, like where brother from Lover's Choice have one of them. Remember a 35 lane she come, 33 lane she come from. So she find a man where them time them I make enough money. Big up chance. I make enough money, I have one of the long back Mark II them and she and him a deal. She said she a breed or the man breed her. So she said. Remember me a knock it all upon the belly me a knock it. Remember before she breed, you know. For who know the gangster thing, Doreen from 33 lane down at Congress them corner. Her auntie. So I remember what go on and war go on and she frets them I go kill her. She and her mother and her sister and the whole of them. And me carry them a cassava piece go put up in my house. Them there in my yard for about a month. Because I tell my mother say I don't want them dead. I don't want them kill them. See? So she got some woman she there in my yard for about a month. And then them get a place at Spanish Town. And live over Spanish Town. And while them over Spanish Town now, she a breed. So me still a knock it right through, see? So one night I go over there and I knock it through the grill. The grill not open or not, because at the time she there with the next man, you know. She there with the man with the Mark II, rich again in our next rich man in them come from us, grand spend. Zine? And me a knock it, cause me just a knock, and me a the knocker, you see it? Anyway, she breed, the man fly her out, them live a Costa Rica. Listen this, you know. Listen this, you know. She live a Costa Rica. People want to follow her story good, you know. Zine? She go live a Costa Rica. Me not hear back from this girl, yeah. How much years, you know. Zine? Years after, me don't know where she get my number. So she has say, cause she just do this and I meet her send viral, you know. Zine? And come so boom. See people who know the story, I type it before me even say nothing. Zine? So, she there Costa Rica, the youth grew up Costa Rica. That's why I'm talk fluent Spanish. That's why you hear she talk to look Spanish. Zine? Where she there Costa Rica all that. Anyway, she have a set of twin after my son. Or must be 2 set of twin, I don't remember. I don't remember how much pitney she have, because I never in a connection with her or nothing. See? So boom, so now she goes so. And one day me she called me out of nowhere. I asked me if I have no link for certain things and certain things. I said, no, I don't have no link. I don't know about them something. She gone. She come back again. One next time call me. She and the man are war. And she want to look for papers and rain. I said, so you there at Costa Rica so long. And you know look for no paper, you know look for yourself, you know do nothing. Zine? So you know watch the comment because some people know the story attacking. So anyway, the man a beat her, kill her over there. Because the man a said the youth and a female. Zine? She with her back against the wall now. This is when the youth are 12-year-old, you know. People want to listen to me now. The youth are 19 right now. I'm 8 for have to do this. But when you see people look at hype and take money, because she take money from Kartel for do this now. If she say she expose me. Girl, you're an idiot, you can expose me. When I help you, I save you from embarrassment. She goes to Obama and link me when the youth are 12. And I tell me, say the man, I beat her up every day and I say the pitney and I fear. And I'm my youth. Remember, you know, she don't have no proof say I'm my youth, you know. Just through the man I beat her, Zine. Through the man I beat her and I threw her out. So when the man kick her out of the house, she don't have nowhere to stay at Costa Rica. Because she never make nothing for herself over there. She just over there and live under the man's roof and I breed up. So anyway, the man say I keep him daughter them, where she have, and he must send her to Jamaica. She have come, him no business if she come to Jamaica. I'm just a kick her out of the house with the youth. So she has a Foota, I hear a youth. Zine? I say, my youth. Oh, me for sure say I'm my youth. Oh, you just say I'm my youth. Anyway, she come to Jamaica. She link me. When she link me, she did stay down at Oakland. Down at one place down at Oakland. Same Oakland where we used to hang out. So I go to Bam and I link her up. And I knock it one time and I never like it. I say, no sir. And I see him. You understand? Anyway, she tell me about the youth. She said the youth of mine. I talk to my woman when I there at the time and I said, Jano, you know, so I'm not sure if I'm my youth. Zine? I mean, I want to take up the responsibility and I'm my youth. So the woman said, here what do? Don't let him stranded. Zine? Because if in case I hear youth, you don't want to let him stranded and then you find out, say, I hear youth, right? So anyway, I start in the youth life from this up. Zine? Start, because she come out to Jamaica with $0. I suffer. She come attack. Why she not tell people say the youth don't even live with her right now? You know how much years me not talk to that girl? Chukulu are the one from down a Waltham. I never call her name. Because she well one cloud. People, here when me stop talk to that girl. Because girl used to call me. Me used to give her money, give her a thing, just to take care of the youth. Here when me stop dealing with her. One time them have something from Pink Wall about deadbeat that zine. And she got put up, but me a deadbeat father. Cause she no want, me no want give her money for the youth. True, she ain't a singer like Aisha. So me done with that right there, so cause me not play them something there. So at the time, me that travel back and forth from foreign. I buy something for the youth, some clothes and thing, and go for give him piece of money. So I call him and I say, yo, come check me down at the end of the road, right down at Rio there, so down at Ochi. And I say, don't make your mother come with them, I don't want to see her. So when we reach down there, me and my woman in the car, and three of my soldiers there. And I go meet the youth and give him the bag with the clothes and the shoes them. And then me see she appear. Me see she appear. So she appear, me say, me tell her, say, me don't want to see where you come down here for. Oh, you know, say, no food in the house and this and that, and I beg you money. So me say, you can't beg me nothing. You violate. Me not do internet mix up with my thing. And I said to the youth, so I give him my money. I give him about 25 or 30 grand. I know say him will give him money out of it. Me no business. I give him clothes and him shoes and cut. I start communicate with the youth alone. People, remember this, you know. The youth not in my name, you know. The youth not in my name at all, you know. Remember, me don't do a DNA yet for the youth, you know. None of that I do, you know. So when she come talk about father and deadbeat, the youth name Grandison. Me name Thomas. The youth name my name. Zine. And ask what me do. Me a pay school fee from when. What do you say? Ocean left America. Come to Jamaica. I go on graduation. Me buy Ocean plane ticket. And me get place for them stay. Me make Adore go on graduation. My brother go, my sister go. Everybody go treat him like a family. You understand what I say? Me no shun the youth. No, me I go shun him. No, me I go shun him. I threw me in a girl business. The youth just ask me what they pay him school fee again for 30,000. And my brother pick up him acceptance to Yui. This girl and I have nothing to do with the youth. She live a Mobile. The youth live a Ochi. Where she come and talk like she a good mother. The youth not from she come back to Jamaica, the youth not live with her. She don't have Mobile do what she do and live her life. At Ochi the youth live. So you come talk. And me I take care of the youth. When me I send clothes and shoes at 10 pair of shoes, 10 pants, 15 shorts, 20 shirts. Where you there, my girl? Where you there? No, you are going to make me just love him. I got to tell him, say, make your mother do what she do. Because I'm not sure if I'm your father. So guess what? After the DNA, then we start work. Your mother and manners. And second thing, that's why I'm not talk to her. About 8 years now, I'm not talk to that girl here. So when you make Kartel, I come press you if you do that. You know, should I make Kartel talk out time out? Kartel them can't style me and you can't style me. Me no Bowers nor Batty boy. I say me breed, you know. And people no notice. Every baby mother them call me name and always some girl will look good. And them time they are from me hungry. So them boy have to try style me. Kartel them can't style me. Look on female baby mother them before him bust and look on mine. So I don't know where my son I come do this for. And me are the man. Me are the man of the match. When me I buy clothes for the youth, a whole heap of clothes me send down. A spray ground bag him have. Ask him. I buy him spray ground bag and that done and him send for next one. I'm buy him more spray ground bag. Anything him want him get. Brand him wear. People, you know why me take care of you? Because of she and Kartel apart. When Kartel go down and Mobile the first time one day, when him come from jail, him and her in a vehicle and a chat. But them they know so me get them video there and me see everything and me just easy myself. Because I know it will come to this. Watch this now. The reason why I help the youth, I give a whole heap. I give a whole heap. A whole heap of people beg me and I help them. And me I say to myself, say, there's a possibility it might be my youth. Because me don't knock it right through. You see me? So, me now go say, just ignore him and make the youth suffer. You see me I say? Me been a help the youth and I take care of the youth from I meet him till now. Me don't know the youth till him at 12. You understand what I say? So all you know make the DJ press you if you come to this like you're an idiot. Like you want me just cut off the youth completely. You just get accepted in a UA a while ago. And my brother go pick up the acceptance letter from UA. The local youth is a bright youth, smart youth, speaks fluent Spanish. Me hook up you to that liar America for get job, travel job and be a thing. Where you come here so try blight the youth for? Why you come here so try blight the youth? You are such a selfish mother. That say just a think about the little money where you want cartel for give. And you not think about what me I do for the youth and the role when I play in the youth life. As a man, with the youth in my name, and the youth not do no DNA, and I still do what I fi do. When the youth link me for nothing, me not talk to you. Me no need to talk to you, my girl. Me call him phone, him call my phone. Me send money to him cousin Zell. Where you come here, so where you make cartel a boots you up to do this for? Why you do that? You look stupid, my girl. So if you come talk about man a deadbeat father when the pitney not even have my name, me don't know the pitney till him at 12. Chinibu, stop asking me why I always call cartel name because it's cartel. Tell her to do it. When you don't know nothing, go on to see on internet and you know it's cartel. Tell her to do it. And him and her par. And him and her par. When I want to post the video them when she in her vehicle, and I say, oh, I'm glad you come. Jesus Christ, I pray for you every day. And everything I put out and everything I comment on. If she never come talk this now, you don't hear her in her video. But I'm always a trouble cartel and Ray. Why I'm not talk about him pitney when I'm not mind how for pitney and not my pitney? The pitney there in my name. Me not do no DNA for the pitney. You not tell me say pitney and mine till him at 12 when the man throw you and him out of the house. So I'm 30 years before that. You never know say, am I youth? No, but on the first she do it, she go up on pink wall already and put up about me a deadbeat father because true she an artist like Aishana. And then she use her ear page where she does sell ear and mobile. For do that, for call traffic over her ear page. You understand what I say? I just call a little youth a while ago and him text me saying I'm in a class. Look on the drama where you want to bring down on the youth now. Me are the hungry father figure the youth have. Where I help him. And you with that sick, dementive, hungry belly self. I come do this, take money away you take from cartel or you do it for cloud. If you come try this. What wrong with your girl? You don't care about the youth. You don't care about the youth. Don't take school bag and the book and pencil them when I go to school and me buy them. You don't understand how woman so fool. Go check him now I go to school. If no clocks him a wear on foot. No spray ground bag him have. Uniform clean like whistle. Million shoes, shorts, everything. Same thing when I buy Ocean. I buy Ocean, Wallaby and buy him L-stitch clock. I saw me do them. Me not buy him nothing less. So how you have to come and talk about deadbeat father and me always a trouble cartel. What cartel have to do with your son? Stupid, dumbass girl. Remember when gunman want to kill you a while time and me hide you. And me hide you up on me yard. You and your mother and your sister. Oh, you're so full of shit, so. You're real shit in a plate. Nobody never hear me come talk about this yet, you know. And you make whatever you want from Kartel. Whether you want drink him, piss, eat him, shit, sleep with him, get our money from him. Why would you make him send you come do this? See somebody are telling us that the pitney don't even live with her. So she wouldn't know nothing. Oh, you come call man deadbeat father and the pitney don't live with you. When me I send him money, you don't know. When me I sell him the money, them you don't know. So how you ever come talk when a child will even live with you? Me not talk my personal business them on social media. Now you make me have to come and talk this. For the youth go see this and start feel depressed again. You know the youth depressed? Say you live with a man, the man live in Costa Rica all his life, you know. And when him at 12, the man start beat him and beat you. And say no film pitney and running out. You tell the people them that? Did you tell the people them that is you never give me the youth? When the youth born, you never one day call me yet and say, yeah, give me the youth. When the youth born, and you and the man must say, I got airport, you call me and say, if I want to see your baby, you never say, my baby. You say, my friend, the baby born, you know, and we are going, you want to see him? I shall search the phone and see whatever you send on big rebel and big war. Remember good, and never my youth. I never my youth. The youth name my name. My name Thomas. The little boy named Grandison. And me still there spend money upon him and I take care of him. And make him know my family them. Make him know Oshan. Make him know Adori. Make him know Biggs. All of them know each other. So who you call deadbeat father? Who you call son? Do you see them mother ya? Some of them mother ya. Them so selfish. Some of them mother ya selfish so till. Them do some things and not even think about the future of the child. Them they even think about the future of the child before they come on social media and do some stupid bullshit. Once me say, alright, me I go help the youth here. Me make him know Oshan, me make him know Biggs, me make him know Adori. Me and them dep on phone call, video call all the way. And me tell every one of them, but me and an idiot father, but no mother, now go style me, and me still been a good father. Your mother alone go and take care of you now. Because she not care about you. Yeah, then overdo it now. I block them, man. Block them. So me don't know which part you come from, but oh, him always a talk about Kartel. Him always a talk about this. So I'm not talk about him now, mind him youth. Girl, you don't even live near your youth. You don't know how your youth got school at morning time. You don't know how your youth got school at morning time. You don't know how the youth eat. You don't know how him drink. You could tell us you see him. When me send clothes and shoes, see Ian, I know 1, nor 2, nor 3, nor 4, nor 5, nor 6, nor 7. So we here come talk about, and the child is not in my name, and I don't do a DNA for the child. So why me I help this child? Because there is a possibility it might be my child. There is a possibility. And my pitney, by law, even if him DNA do, and him name my name, I still not my pitney. She don't know how much money me send him, and when me send him, she probably know how much for the school fee. I have a message from Ian, when? Last night or this morning. And I tell him, say, me I go send the 30 grand for pay him thing. Our family, them know, say, me help take care of you, the good. I sell money, me not have to link she if send him no money. Them man, they sophisticated, them man, they have a Zelle, them man, they have debit card, them man, they have everything. So she come from, make Kartel press her button if you come to this. That's why she fool. She not tell nobody, say, she da run her whole like Shuckle taxi. Yeah, you know, say, me don't want to get to the road. Because the end of the day, I Ian mother and I don't want. Hey, look a girl. Here what you do. Go weasel back yourself in a little corner where you're in a dung a mobile and don't look na eye yourself. Here. Don't try that with me. Me no run pitney joke. Anyway, you see me not talk to one of my pitney them, or me stop the way me that do, them mother do something. And no girl can style me and use no pitney boy. The child and your mother. Me no run joke. Me no run pitney joke and no girl can style me. True me share no pitney. You and the pitney go chuck off in no mama. I saw me do me thing. And me and the youth I live a good life and everything. Although, me still not sure for my youth. So how you make Kartel a press your button? If you come say that, you're bright. Me don't know where you tell Kartel them say, you don't have nothing over me, girl. Don't do that. And you try it already. Pan pink wall. And I just I'm going to cut you off and I deal with you again in a life. You can't chat to me. You see, when you see my son I go to school and you see him clean. A clerk see me uniform well clean and spray ground back pan back. Ask him who buy them. Ask him who him call for money when he need money. Who him call and I sell him all the time. In cousin know a fear sell him use. Just go sit down, man. The whole lot of me don't know no frightened for Kartel, so. Look at money, you Kartel go to promise you money. So him well want to talk about me on the net, but him not want to do it himself. So him send you like a living idiot. And you don't think about your son first. And say, you know, me not going to talk to him something here. And then Foota cut off the little youth. You not even say that to yourself. You're such a dumb little fuck. You not even love your pitney. Because you couldn't love your pitney and do this. And know say, me, I take care of the youth. When you go say this now, and do them thing and Kartel skin him teeth, and you feel good, warm to the youth. Make a post up the graduation picture of them right now too. With him, my brother, me not think a Kartel scenario, me know a Kartel scenario. Figure it out. Him don't salt and a salt Kartel salt. When you think Kartel not trouble nobody, but he's troubling people. As she and Kartel are par, up and down in them vehicle and thing and mobile. Just cool no man. Me not have no reason for lie, man. I tell you. So, figure it out. I'm not thinking, you know. I know it is him. And everything me talk on internet, me just thought this now because she come do this. And she and him apart. And she in him van I thought, oh, me pray for you. Yo, the way me pray for you till me tired. Me couldn't wait for you come. So from me see that them time there, me know say somewhere up the line, this I go forward. You understand? Me know say this I go forward. So not no more than two from a day, me and being him on a par, we are go all the thing them, we are troll the internet. I'm a troll Kartel for troll. Can him troll me too and just trap some neat word, but him not call me name. But me not have time for that, me call film name when me ready. Me troll him too. But me know say, because him no want say Foota hype name, you know. And him no want make it look like him a respond to Foota hype. So him use she, you know, that little idiot here. Zine. If you come, talk about now, my youth. All if me never that mind him and my youth. I grand this him name, my name Thomas. Yeah, exquisite beauty. I see that in the video when she in a cartel van. I thought about, oh God, I pray for you. Oh, no, I couldn't wait for you to come. I couldn't. So go on and leave the youth out right now, man. Leave the youth out right now, man. You see me? Yeah, man, if my daughter want help, she have a mother too. Yeah. Anytime, the mother them do fuckery. Me, my thing different. Me don't know about no other parent. See, me, as a parent, so me I do what me if I do as a father, and I do my due diligence, and the mother them feel like them want to ramp with me cut off every mama blood clot body. So when the pitney reach of age and have sense, Zine, when the pitney have sense and can reach out to me themselves, when me not have to deal with no mother, yeah, I saw me do my thing. Me not abandon none of my kids them. Me not go around none of my kids them. But no mother can style me and feel like say, Foota hype, still I go do for pitney and skin teeth with you. Go suck on no mother and go one side. Me not run joke. Yeah. Me work hard for my money and me work hard for my things. And music me do. Zine and music me do and entertainment. Travel all over, step on plane every day, I risk my one. No. No. Baby mother can't style me. And you speak me for style me. And me still I do nothing. Gus, no go away. If you don't understand yourself, you don't get cut off straight as some me do me thing. I'm in a response who want vex. Me not do no guilt parenting. If I'm me or your father and she or your mother, and your mother go around your father, and you all uphold with it too, and I'll tell your father lie, and I go around there, my money cut off. Me stop mine, me stop give money, me stop do everything. You have to understand yourself, your mama have to understand herself, else she do single parenting then. Me not co-parent and a mother alone have talk. Me not do them thing there. If me I spend my money and I do what me if you do and I work hard and I help take care of pitney, but mother go on like a she want have blood clot talk. Which part? Then go on have talk alone, pay bills them yourself, pay school fee them yourself, buy uniform them yourself. You don't have to deal with me. And the pitney don't have to deal with me neither. Till them get big and absent and know say your mother did violate. That's why your father cut. And if you feel angry for that, you go suck your mama too. Yeah, I saw my thing go. Can me do what me fi do as a father. So nobody now style my father thing. I saw my thing stay. I mean, I care about where you want to set on internet or where. Me know me, a real father. And when mother can't have them way, listen now that's something I go. Yes, when mother can't have them way, the first thing them do, I try run out. But deadbeat. If me had the deadbeat, you could breed. Because deadwood can't breed, girl. A stiff beat. But deadbeat. Some of them baby mother are crosses. And them have them own way. And have too much ego. So when you see, notice a father not in the pitney life that much. Just thinking of yourself and say, oh, him used to in a pitney life so much and him not in a pitney life again. How I go on? No, every time the youth innocent, on the stops to the youth innocent. Because if you continue, follow up the mother because of the child, you are going to reach you now. You end up going to prison. And you continue toe to toe with the mother because you fight for being a child life. You are going to end up at prison. Because you are going to end up at the box down the mother. Or lick her in her face. Or send somebody go kill her. So if you are quiet and a peaceful life, you leave her alone. You can't have some balance with some girl. Some girl unbalanced, all them pH unbalanced. Everything about them unbalanced. So when you talk about have balance, it no works so. Some woman dark and ignorant when them want to feed them own way as a parent. Remember enough things me and my baby mother them want to find out. In a pandemic, me say, don't carry me pitting them, go get a vaccine. Do not carry me kids them, go get a vaccine. The whole of my blood clot pitting them get vaccine, you know. The whole of my pitting them get vaccine, you know. So when them sicky now, how now come to me and me if you pay all of these doctor bill, how it forgot? Me as the father, as the king, as the leader, say listen me, this pandemic thing is a hoax. Do not carry me pitting them, go get a vaccine. The whole of them hide and make the pitting them take vaccine. All of them. So them look at something they make me and them for war. You understand what I say? So, my uncle telling the people, the girl here, just make it harder for the youth. You hear that? I'm going to run joke, you know. You know, come discredit my credibility as a real youth. Because I can't ever say real father. Because I don't know if I'm my son. Me just a real youth for even take up the responsibility not knowing if I'm my youth. Think about that. Me take up the responsibility not knowing if I'm my youth. The man asks I say if you sure if I'm my youth. Yeah, I have his job. So him name Grandison. And oh me name Thomas. You name Noble. The mother name Noble. Me, the supposedly father named Thomas. But the kid named Grandison. How that work? Somebody do that match the for me now? Do that match the for me. Alright. You are really going to make the DNA and do it now. I stuck a foreign for 6 years. They want the DNA with brother or uncle. I not depend that. Any DNA I do have for me. You understand? No DNA now do if I know me. My brother can't go do DNA for me. Or my uncle can't go do DNA for me if I find out if I might beat him. I not depend that. She come out and talk strong. I don't know the kid until the kid at 12. I do not know the kid until the kid is 12. He would have been the eldest one, yeah. Whereas I don't know who name Grandison all now, you know. Remember, so me find out about him and Big same time. When him at 12, Biggs, I must say about 10, them time they are 9. Somewhere they so. So Biggs and him and me two kids them where me never know about. Remember it was just Oshan and Adori. You understand what I say? So me don't know where she jump out, make them press her button. Hey, people, me not lie still. Me I can say this and I just the truth. You know me have to rate Vybz Kartel. When I say me call a cartel, you see the way him control people name and control them brain and make them do some dumb shit. You see all the man going at them head and make them do some dumb shit. Look how that girl a fool. The man going her head make she come out, come embarrass herself now. You can't worry me if you do nothing at all for Pitney. When I know my name and DNA no do. Plus, on top of that, him a 19. Him a 19, him a adult. And me still a do. Him a 19 and me still a do. And you have the nerve to come out and talk? Like a some little pitney or some underage pitney. The kid at 19. Me never drink rum yet, brother. Me mom no drink alcohol. How stupid is this girl? Tell her to put up image paper. Wanna go up on the video and comment and tell her, say, put up in birth certificate. Tell her put up in birth certificate. And look if you see Thomas on it. And look what age him is. Him at 19. July him gonna be 20. The youth at 19. July him gonna be 20. Oshan born the 5th, him born the 6th. Tell her to put up in birth certificate. And ask her, say, how him name grandison when Foota hype name Thomas. Please, and just do that for me. Big up on yourself, yeah?